Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Class 5, Subject Science, Unit number 3, Head to Toe, Chapter number 5, Taking Care of Ourselves. Today we will discuss the question and answers of your chapter. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Write to which system or systems each organ belongs to. Bones belongs to skeleton system. Arteries belongs to circulatory system. Kidneys belongs to excretory system. Lungs belongs to respiratory system. Brain belongs to nervous system. Heart belongs to circulatory system. Joints belongs to skeletal system. Stomach belongs to digestive system. Nose belongs to respiratory system. Liver belongs to digestive system. Spinal cord belongs to skeletal system. Muscles belongs to muscular system. Question number 2. Answer the following questions. A. Name the nutrient food groups. Answer: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, dietary fiber and water. B. Why is it important to exercise? Answer: to be healthy and fit, we need to do exercise. C. Our body requires at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Why? Answer: to feel fresh and energetic, we need proper sleep. D. What is the importance of dietary fiber in our diet? Answer: dietary fibers helps in proper digestion of food. E. Define communicable diseases. Give 4 examples. Answer: the disease which spread through contact is called communicable disease. Example: typhoid, malaria, chickenpox, coronavirus. F. Define deficiency diseases. Can this be cured if we change our eating habits? Answer: the disease caused by the lack of some nutrients in our diet is called deficiency disease. Yes, it can be cured if we have proper nutrients in our food. Why is it important to keep our hands clean at all times? Answer: to avoid infections, we should keep our hands clean. Question number 3. Write true or false. A. The human body has many different systems that work together. It's true. B. It is not necessary to eat a balanced diet. It's false. C. We should play for at least 8 hours every day. It's false. D. We should drink a lot of water to keep our systems clean. It's true. E. Brushing our teeth only on weekends is a healthy habit. It's false. Question number 4. Prepare a healthy and yummy menu for a day for yourself and your grandfather. Remember, a balanced diet can be healthy too. How healthy are you? Be honest. Now here, table you have to complete by yourself. First, this is a week plan. First, brush teeth twice, morning and night. Second, had a bath. Third, ate a healthy breakfast. 4. Slept for 8 hours. 5. Drank 7 glasses of water. 6. Played an outdoor game for 1 hour. 7. Exercise for half an hour. 8. Washed hands before eating anything. Answer: do it yourself. You need to complete this table of a week. That's all for today's class.